Hi friends, welcome back. Yesterday we have seen how to ingest the data in table and how to create a cluster. Okay, so today I will tell you like how you can create table in your ADF. Sorry, not in ADF, in Azure Data Explorer. And let's start. So for creating a table, again, it is the similar structure. You have to write create table, and then you have to give table name. For example, I'm giving here employee table, employee TBL, and then you have to give uh, what all columns you want. Okay. So for example, I'm taking here employee name, and the type will be your type will be string. So string, then you have to give comma and press enter, so it will come down. So I'm giving here now location. Mm, Again, this will be string, and string, press enter. Now date date of joining, I'm keeping date of joining. Okay, the data type will be date and time. Okay, so I'm for now I'm just keeping these three things, three columns in this table, and let me run this, then we'll see how it is coming. I'm running this so when I have run this, so you can see here employee table is coming here, and you can see data is coming with the data type whatever I have given here. The same thing you can find out here. Okay, so if you want to see the table again, like you can either just double click on this and you can explore, you can run it and see there is no data as of now because we have not given the data, or we have not added anything here. And now, so this is the one thing. Second thing, if you want to create a view generally, which we will do in SQL. So for that, let me take an example. I'm taking this table, organization. Let me see how many records are there. So very less records. So let me take patient one because I want to get more records. So it will be easy for you to understand better. Let me run this. Okay, so here you can see many columns are there, but for now, I just want to see ID, first name, and marital status, and a race. Okay, so for that, what I have to do simply enter and pipe you have to give, and then you have to give project. Okay, so once you will write here, type here project, so you can see all the columns which is available in this table will you will be able to see. So what I need, first let me take ID, then you have to give comma, then I want a first name, so here it is mentioned first, then I need marital status, so okay, mm, let me take marital status, then I need race. Okay, so I have taken that also, and that's all. Okay, now just you have to select this, and when you will run it, you will be able to see all the columns which you have selected here. Now I think this is fine. This is how you can create view. I think that's all for this video. Thank you very much.